Automate, connect and automate everything about your business in one place. Your content, your marketing, your transactional emails, and your products. Analytics, view reports to see how customers are engaging with your business. Get paid, simple, seamless integration with PayPal, Stripe, JVZoo, W+, and 6 more platforms, get you paid easier, faster. Security, we protect your content like no one else is doing today. Includes done for your courses, get earning right away with our included top-notch courses you can sell as your own. Easy, no technical skills required. Nothing to download or install. Many people are now building real businesses on the membership platform you see today. The answer to this question is a resounding yes. I have done it many times and continue to do it on a regular basis. The best part, it doesn't even have to be your knowledge for you to get your money. But how do you do that when time is limited and every waking hour is taken up by your existing job? Well, the answer is obvious. You look for something that works by itself and brings you income without having to be actively working at it. Something that needs little to no effort from your end. We've got the answer for this problem, right here on this page. We all have this feeling that we must struggle to make it big. I personally thought so too, until the big C hit. In this time, I have seen e-learning advance by 5 years. People are starting to monetize their knowledge faster than ever. I quickly saw the writing on the wall. Smart people with time on their hands will invest to learn more. Personally, I had been teaching online for a few years. When I realized that more and more people were migrating towards creating online courses, my team and I went to work to create something for them. What you see today is the result of the hard work we put in for 2 years. But nothing in life comes easy. Right? These numbers are enough to prove that the e-learning space is becoming more profitable by the minute. People are quickly embracing this change and there is no reversal in sight. It is only going to get more advanced, and so you need to keep up with the changing trends. Organizations like companies, schools, and institutions have all accepted it. The potential to earn from this trend when you jump in at the right time is unprecedented. Once you become a fast mover, you can quickly establish yourself as an industry expert using Membervio. You don't need to wait around for the right time or make a big initial investment. You can start your journey without any experience or knowledge. All you need is a will to make profits. For everything else, you've got Membervio and an unending demand for online courses. Selling courses online the old way does not work anymore. This is how most people choose to sell their courses, which Asia will soon see, is inefficient and expensive. End result. Creating your own platform as an alternative can be time-consuming, expensive, and could potentially fail because there are so many moving parts to keep track of. The gurus are out there making 6 figures and people like you are not able to ever see a breakthrough. As most people have found out, when done wrong, selling courses can be a huge waste of time and money. But any smart entrepreneur, like you, can see the opportunity to make insane profits with membership sites and would find a way to make it happen. So here I am, offering you the solution that we have created after spending 2 years and thousands of dollars. For never-ending profits. Step number 2. Customize and set the pricing. Customize the course to suit your target audience from within your powerful dashboard and name your price. Make massive passive income right away. Feature number 1. Full automation. Everything is automated right from the second that a user gets access to your courses. They're automatically welcomed to the app using their personal username and password along with receiving their purchase receipt. They're also provided with a membership URL. In case they forget the password, they can also retrieve it automatically. Not just that, if they decide to cancel their subscription or ask for a refund, the app can make it happen instantly without any hassle at all. Feature number 2. Custom membership design. Pick and design your membership site from an extensive set of themes. Attract a large number of users and retain their attention using advanced features and settings created just for their convenience. Easily manage member statistics, product statistics, and rock-solid security controls. Feature number 3. Fully customizable sites. You can now create and control your membership site just the way you like it. Make it look just like your brand aesthetics and colors. Add your own domain and logo to reinforce your branding strategy. Feature number 4. Smooth welcome and onboarding. Your users will quickly and easily adapt to our system and take advantage of the Membervio courses you sell to improve their career path, wellness, or relationships. Our onboarding guide includes easy-to-follow videos that will empower your users to make the most of the Membervio platform. The more familiar they are with Membervio, the more they will be willing to spend on more courses. Feature number 5. In-depth analysis and tracking. Our detailed reports that are generated regularly can be easily accessed by you to gain information about the product, location, devices, visitors, traffic inflow details, and lots more. Feature number 6. Reuse and repurpose lessons. Now you can replicate or reuse your existing lessons with just one click to create more than one stream of income. Use one product in different situations and earn a huge fee each time. Feature number 7. Blacklisting rights. For every user that threatens the sanctity of your course, you can simply blacklist them. Avoid being exploited or violated in any manner with this effective security tool that is created just for you. Feature number 9. Member insights. We provide concrete statistics to help you create a better user experience. You can understand and access the number of quizzes taken, lessons completed, total money spent, and login details for each member. Feature number 11. Admin member management. Manage crucial aspects of member databases by getting the rights to handle their basic information, products purchased, and transactions. You don't need a whole different team to take care of admin stuff. Feature number 13. Member list export and import. No need to manually add each member's name into this app or even to remove the details and add them to an Excel sheet. We give you an easy way to add and use existing lists of a huge number of users for a variety of benefits in just one click. Feature number 14. Keep them engaged with quizzes and worksheets. You can generate quizzes and worksheets to get your members involved and figure out their level of understanding. This not only increases the amount of knowledge they retain, but also can help you determine how effective your courses are. Feature number 15. Enable content drip feed. You can provide a scheduled delivery of your lessons without being present all the time. Allow users to access more modules as they complete one section. You can even use this tool to entice users into getting a subscription to your course. Feature number 16. Enable lesson expiration. Make your course time-bound to add the scarcity factor that'll help increase your sales. You can either set the expiration as a fixed date or the number of days from the starting of a course. Feature number 17. Lesson sequences. Deliver your course in modules that are accessible only after completing one to ensure that your users are truly grasping the essence of the information. Feature